Hey, good day everyone. Check out this Enfold hand paper towel dispenser, model ADS-816. Let's check this thing out. Well, here's everything that came in the box. It's got the main dispenser itself, a cool little logo on the front there. There's the key on the bottom. Look at the inside there. Of course, the bottom. Comes with some mounting hardware too. Some screws, some drywall inserts, adhesive pieces. Now how this thing works is if you want to, you can mount it. It'll sit just like that, mounted. Now when you want to refill it, you take your key that comes with it, this little triangular ended key here. You just pop it right down in there. Now you can open it up. And now while it's open, you can put your paper towels, stack them all in there really quick. You're also going to need to open it up for mounting too. Got some mounting holes back here. Shut it just like that and it locks. So we'll go ahead and stock this thing up and mount it. Go ahead and put this down. Lock it into here. These little squares. Pop that into there and just slide it all the way up until it locks in, just like that. Now we can peel this off and stick it where we want it. There we go. All right, really happy with this thing. Thank you for watching, everybody.